Hello and welcome back to the Rekt Capital channel. This channel isn't the same as it was yesterday. This channel today is so much different because we have 5,000 subscribers today compared to yesterday. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks so much for subscribing, for liking my recent videos. Really appreciate the support. Your support has been phenomenal, and it's for you guys that I just do these videos. I returned to YouTube most recently. I'm going to be sticking around for a little while longer because I enjoy making these videos for you guys, because I see that you enjoy them too. So let's dive right into the video. Thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Here's to 5,000 more and beyond. In any case, guys, let's dive into the update. I'm going to be talking to you guys about why this 2021 alt season is going to be the greatest alt season of all time. And obviously, it's easy to talk about these things with hype and emotion and hyperbole, but there's nothing hyperbolic about this assertion. The only hyperbolic thing will be the price action that we'll see in altcoins throughout 2021. Because we have to look at the signs, the macro signs. It's okay to be extremely bullish when it's time to be extremely bullish. When you see multi-year patterns and market structures on altcoins break out, long-term consolidation structures precede long-term uptrends. And if you're seeing these altcoins break out, then you just have to do something about it. There is a trend shift after many years of consolidation, downtrends. This is the time where things are waking up, and we are still very early on in this cycle. But I'm going to be talking about why this cycle is going to be bigger than the 2017 cycle. And this all starts with Dogecoin, because if you look at the chart over here, December 20th, 2020, I spoke about how Dogecoin was just about beginning its new cycle, consolidating 42 days versus the 56 days that it consolidated before it enjoyed its recent cycle. And Dogecoin, along with Litecoin BTC, by the way, these two charts are one of the most cyclical altcoin charts in the entire space. And you see extreme fear precede financial opportunity into extreme greed. And the thing about this cyclicality in Dogecoin's price action is that it tends to precede or confirm entire altcoin seasons. So let's look at the chart in a bit more detail here. From green to red is what we tend to see over the past few years of Dogecoin's cyclicality. From green to at least this red area, to at most this red area. Of course, this 2017 pump being the greatest alt season of all time, which also coincides with the greatest Dogecoin rally of all time. So this was the chart in December 2020, which I shared on Twitter. And since then, Dogecoin has pumped significantly way beyond these two areas of historical supply. And this is a much larger cycle compared to this cycle. So the fact that Dogecoin is so correlated and intricately linked with altcoin seasons leads me to believe that the largest Dogecoin cycle of all time is going to precede the largest alt season of all time in the same way that it did that in 2017. And of course, Elon Musk did pump Dogecoin. And the way I think about this is, as a technical analyst, you saw in December 2020 that a new cycle was on the horizon. Elon wasn't talking about Dogecoin at that time. Elon wasn't talking about Dogecoin at this time or this time. That just goes to show that throughout history, the technicals align, suggesting a new cycle is on the horizon, and then we just need the catalyst that is going to spark off a new cycle. And every cycle, the technicals are the same. They align in the same way in the green area, but we have a different catalyst. So my thinking here is that it doesn't matter what the reason or the catalyst behind a move is. What matters is the fact that the technicals are aligning, suggesting that we're ready, let's light the match. And people talk about Dogecoin being the entry altcoin for many crypto investors, new crypto investors, which only means that they're going to look for altcoin pumps elsewhere. And that really does spark off something that I'm going to be talking about, which is altcoin market cap and altcoin money flow. So you can see that Dogecoin sparks off a Altseason. And you can see how altcoin market cap is on the cusp of breaking out to new all-time highs, breaking its 2017 highs. So we need to brace ourselves. We're going to see tremendous upside in 2021. And the fact that we're just going to break this area soon is a testament to how far altcoin market cap can climb. It's going to be in price discovery. This being a metric, of course, it's not going to be price discovery, it's going to be metric discovery, but in any case, we're going to be discovering the top for quite some time. But the reason I mention altcoin market cap is because Dogecoin cycles align perfectly with altcoin market cap increases. And this is something I shared in the Rekt Capital newsletter a while back. So we were very well prepared for not only the Dogecoin cycle, but the altcoin market cap increase that occurs following that cycle. And if you just map out each Dogecoin cycle, as you see here in green, if you just map this nicely onto altcoin market cap, you can see an increase here, you can see an increase here, and of course so on. This being the only exception because we saw Dogecoin be in a bear market, and we're going to talk about this exception in a bit more detail, but generally you're seeing massive increases, and this being the beginning of 2021, being the first pump in this altcoin season, in this new macro altcoin bull market, Dogecoin has pumped and altcoin market cap is following exponentially. And here is the most exponential Dogecoin rally, one of the most exponential Dogecoin rallies in 2017, right over here and over here. You can see that the altcoin market cap increase was phenomenal as well in 2017. So you can see how Dogecoin rallies, depending on how big they are, how large in magnitude these rallies are, you'll see that they'll spark off a large altcoin market cap increase as well. And seeing as we've just seen the largest Dogecoin cycle take place in the history of cryptocurrencies, we're going to see the same large spark in altcoin market cap increase ever as well. And this goes to show that there's a lot to look forward to, but altcoin market cap, like we were talking yesterday, guys, follows and lags behind Ethereum on the USD pair. Ethereum is painting a beautiful U-shaped reversal, which it has confirmed a long time ago by breaking out from this U-shaped reversal. It's now in price discovery for the most part. Altcoin market cap isn't even past its all-time high yet. It's going to break past here sooner rather than later. And you can see how Litecoin is still lagging so much behind Ethereum, and both Ethereum and altcoin market cap. So check out yesterday's video if you haven't, because this is where I talk about Litecoin being a fantastic lagging opportunity in its correlation to Ethereum. We're going to see Litecoin reach all-time highs in the next few weeks or even months, but that's because Litecoin is lagging behind Ethereum. And the reason I mention this is Ethereum is a very important component in the money flow cycle. And of course, guys, leave a comment if you'd like me to talk about the crypto money flow cycle in a bit more detail. Just let me know if you want me to create a video. Comment and it shall be given. But in any case, you can see that the large caps here being Litecoin, Ethereum, predominantly Ethereum. Ethereum is leading all these different altcoins. And if Ethereum rallies, then you start to see altcoins enjoy some rallies as well, because you see people profit circulating into mid-cap altcoins and into low-cap altcoins as well. So Ethereum is a market leader for altcoins because it precedes money flow into different types of altcoins. Where does Dogecoin fit in to all of this, guys? Where does it fit in based on what we're looking at today? Because if Ethereum is such an important market leader overall, leading altcoins and kickstarting a money flow cascade into different types of altcoins, which are smaller in market cap, which is why they are higher risk, but also carry a higher prospect of reward. If Ethereum is so important, where does Dogecoin come into this? Well, we know that altcoin market cap lags behind Ethereum, right? And if Dogecoin sparks increases in altcoin market cap, then Dogecoin has a clear role in what's going on in the altcoin market. And it has a clear role in marking the beginnings of altcoin seasons. So number one, Dogecoin tends to precede or confirm altcoin seasons. Number two, it confirms increases in altcoin market cap. But number three, because Ethereum is so important in kickstarting the money flow into large cap altcoins, Dogecoin also is important in kickstarting this money flow into other altcoins as well. And here's why. Because if you see Dogecoin rally towards the upside, we'll see an increase in altcoin market cap, which is what essentially Ethereum does, because Ethereum carries the market cap for altcoins. So if we see an increase in Ethereum USD going towards the upside, USD is going to be flowing into USD altcoins. But what about Ethereum on the BTC pair? So you can see if we mark Dogecoin cycles onto cycles in Ethereum BTC pairs, in the Ethereum BTC pair, you can see that Dogecoin cycles confirm trends in Ethereum in the BTC pair as well. So this is, of course, that exception that Dogecoin has, right? In a bear market, Dogecoin cycles don't matter much, because if we're in a downtrend, we're in a downtrend for altcoins and Bitcoin as well. So a Dogecoin cycle during this time isn't really going to make much of a difference for any altcoin, whether that's Ethereum or the market cap. And we see this in the Ethereum BTC, but also in the altcoin market cap increase from the bear market as well. This being the exception, but generally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 times out of 8, you see that this correlation is true. And those are relatively good odds. In the same way where you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 times out of 10, you see that Dogecoin tends to precede rallies in Ethereum BTC. Now, we've spoken about the money flow cycle, which Dogecoin has. It lends a very important hand in kickstarting that altcoin money flow. Not only for USD pairs, because of course we're seeing Ethereum really enjoy an uptrend, and this money is trickling into other altcoins like Cosmos, which doubled recently, Zilliqa, all these different altcoins in the USD, Band Protocol, all of these altcoins are performing fantastically. Cardano as well, which we spoke about yesterday in yesterday's video. Cardano is actually following Ethereum in its cycle, just with the difference that Cardano is around here in its cycle. So you know that it's probably going to enjoy further upside going forward as it continues its lag-related cycle to Ethereum. So that's the USD pairing here. But as you can see, altcoins in their BTC pairs haven't yet triggered their rallies. They haven't yet broken out, really. And that's because Ethereum BTC hasn't fully confirmed its trend. And the reason it hasn't fully confirmed its trend is because it recently broke past a key reference point for Ethereum BTC price action, this being a very key resistance. So you can see that from about late 2018 to now, this area was a resistance for Ethereum BTC, and now we're actually testing it as a support for the first time in years. And the last time we successfully tested this as a support, you saw a new all-time high. You saw a massive rally towards the upside, which is so important because we know what happened to Ethereum USD. Let's just cycle to make this clear. Ethereum USD is now in price discovery. It's made a new all-time high. It's carried altcoin market cap to new all-time highs essentially as well. So the fact that we're now seeing Ethereum BTC trying to confirm this support before springboarding towards the upside during a time where we have seen the largest Dogecoin cycle in the history of cryptocurrencies means that we could see easy exponential upside from Ethereum BTC in the coming weeks and even months. And the reason that this matters is just like Ethereum USD is so important to leading altcoins in their USD pairings, Ethereum BTC, being the large cap that precedes money flow into mid cap and low cap altcoins, Ethereum BTC in its BTC pair is going to precede a cascading effect of investor money flow into smaller mid cap and small cap altcoins in their BTC pairs as well. So the way to think about money flow in general is to think about it in terms of the USD pairs and then the BTC pairs. Ethereum being a key component to that, Ethereum USD being that in the first place. And you see that this Ethereum, this USD pair money flow is nowhere close because Litecoin is still so far behind. It's got so much more room to grow. So you know that the money flow cycle in the USD pairs isn't even close to being over. But the USD, the BTC altcoin pairs, these rallies haven't even started yet. Ethereum BTC is still trying to figure itself out above this very key support. And we're going to see exponential upside from Ethereum BTC, and then we're going to see that cascading effect into alt BTC pairs as well. So Dogecoin, where does Dogecoin fit into all of this? It has a peculiar role in the altcoin market, doesn't it? It first precedes or confirms altcoin seasons. Why? Because it kickstarts altcoin money flow, being tightly correlated to increases in altcoin market cap lagging behind Ethereum, which is why Dogecoin has an integral part in kickstarting money flow towards altcoins, because Dogecoin confirms Ethereum BTC cycles altogether, which in turn leads to further money flow into mid-cap altcoins and low-cap altcoins, but this time in their altcoin BTC pairs. It's phenomenal stuff. Dogecoin is an indicator for altcoin seasons, and the fact that we've seen the greatest altcoin Dogecoin cycle of all time take place most recently gives me tremendous reason to believe that this 2021 altcoin season, this early altcoin bull market, is going to be so much more explosive and impressive compared to 2017, the altcoin season, the altcoin bull market of 2017, and altcoin market cap about to breach this 2017 all-time high is a further testament to that. I simply cannot wait, and I hope you guys will join me on this journey on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like this video if you enjoyed the video and would like to see more videos like this in the future. I'm Rekt Capital. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak soon.